Are you currently developing assays for enzymes that metabolize phosphates and polyphosphates? Do you also want to develop your assay for use in high-throughput screening? If so, you may have found it difficult to detect the activity of key phosphatases using traditional complex coupled assays. And you may also have found that colorimetric assays suffer from high backgrounds and reagents precipitating before you can read them accurately. Furthermore, some assays involve multiple separation steps and are radioactive. With this in mind, Expedeon has created PiColorLock. PiColorLock is a reagent that detects universally produced inorganic phosphate and uses special stabilizers that suppress non-enzymatic backgrounds produced by labile substrates. It produces unique non-radioactive colored complexes that are incredibly stable for hours, making them ideal for high-throughput screening. Here's PiColorLock compared to two competitor products. Notice how PiColorLock is resistant to the precipitation and non-enzymatic decay. In addition to this, Expedeon's companion product, PiBind Resin, has a very high affinity for inorganic phosphate and can be used to remove free phosphates from samples. This means cleanup of samples is possible in minutes, rather than in hours or days with desalting or dialysis. To order PiColorLock with PiBind Resin today, click on the link beneath this video. Thanks for watching and for choosing Expedeon.